To another episode of Kiwi's Cooking Crew, and today what I got for you is the best macaroni and cheese that you'll ever eat. And so I already have some cooked elbow noodles. I added some butter as well as an egg that I scrambled. You only need one egg unless you're just cooking a big batch for multiple people. And you just want to mix that in really good until you have it good and coated. And then after then, I added some cream cheese to that. And that cream cheese is just going to give it a little creaminess as well as some added flavor. And now I'm adding in some sour cream. Of course, you know, that is some additional flavor that you're going to have in there. You're just going to continue to mix that in until everything melts. Especially with that cream cheese, you do want to make sure that it's room temperature. That way it melts much easier. And once you have everything in, you want to add in some chicken, cream of chicken there. And that cream of chicken is just another layer of added flavor. As you can see, you got flavor on top of flavor on top of flavor. And then you add in your seasonings. Now, those will be in the descriptions below. However, it is just some seasoning salt, garlic powder, and some black pepper. Mix it in until you have it all blended in. And then we'll just go from there. And the next step to that is just adding in our cheeses as well as our Carnation Milk, as well as some heavy cream. Now for our cheeses, we do have sharp cheddar, extra sharp cheddar, Gouda, as well as some mozzarella cheese. So when I say flavor, I mean flavor. And so once you get all of those cheeses added in, you're just going to continue to mix and mix until you have it all together. And now we'll tell you this regarding like your macaroni mixture here. Now, if you feel like you need to add a little more milk, I would definitely recommend adding a little more Carnation Milk and or heavy cream. That way, because you don't want your macaroni and cheese to be like dry and tight before you even put it in the oven. So just add what you need to add and just make sure you have a good consistency there. And so now we are at the point of adding our macaroni and cheese to our baking dish. And what you want to do, you want to layer that. So you want to add your first set of macaroni and cheese noodle, level it out, and then you want to add a level of cheese on top of that. You can choose whichever cheeses you want. However, I chose to use, I used the sharp cheddar, the extra sharp cheddar, which is all mixed together. And just add your layers on top of that. And then you want to add another layer of your macaroni and cheese noodle. And this way you can give it like a really nice pull and you just have cheese just gooey all through that macaroni and cheese. And then now what I'm doing, I'm just adding little pieces of butter in there. That way that butter can seep in and that butter will kind of help it keep it moist there. And now what we're doing, we're just adding our last level of cheese. You can make that as thick or as thin as you would like it. It's up to you. You can choose which cheeses you want to add on top. Some people mix cheeses, some people don't. But I'm just adding that sharp and extra sharp cheddar. I love extra sharp cheddar just simply because it has a nice stronger taste. And so I love adding that to my macaroni and cheese. And once you get everything leveled out there, you just want to add just a little bit of the heavy cream around the side. Just make sure that you have some to kind of seep through there. And it will meld in with that butter that you have. And then you just want to add a little seasoning salt to the top just to give it a little seasoning. And here you go. So if you like what you see, just make sure you like, subscribe, tell all your friends. And until next time, bye.